In the quiet place, when tears speak louder than words, the enemy whispers lies. But the child of God rises with truth, for darkness can challenge, but it cannot conquer. A soul sealed in the land. You think say you strong, but I dey watch you fail. Every night you dey cry, but you go still call am faith. Your prayers dry, your dreams they scatter. Look your life, it be like say God know the answer. I see your pain, I see your shame. Nothing they change, not still the same. Why you they hold Jesus like he go show? Why you not rest? Why you not let go? Even heaven quiet, nobody send you. You they suffer for nothing. Make I help you. Satan, stop. You only speak where fear they hide. But the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? You show me darkness, but I carry covenant. You mention delay, but it's timing no they fail. You see tears, but God they count them. You see weakness, but his strength they complete me. You they shout defeat, but I they hear my grace is sufficient. Your talk no enter my spirit. See your scars, not sign of your fall. See your past, now what you carry. Your future dark, your hope small. Just bow to me, make the pain stop finally. Get behind me, Satan, for it is written, the Lord is my refuge and fortress, and I will not seek mercy from you. Your gold in a sand, your promise na lie. I choose Jesus, even if he pain me, even if he's slow, he know they fail. I will not bow, for the one who holds the universe still holds my heart. I be done round. Even when the storm loud, his peace they calm my soul. I belong to Jesus. No life fit shake me, no darkness fit take me. I no go bow, I no go bow. Oh, my tomorrow. You think say prayer they move mountain? Your miracle still far, your destiny slow, your path rough. Look your family, nothing done rise. Look your journey, not tears full out. Why you delay yourself? Step out, follow me. My scars no be shame, not testimony. My past no be prison, Christ don't free me. Onye we makwe hapu. My Lord is not the one who abandons me. Devil hear me well, every battle where you raise, God done already write my victory. You see ashes, He dey build glory. You see darkness, He dey form morning. You see delay, He dey stretch my faith. You see tears, He dey store am for joy. I know they follow you. I stand with Jesus till my last breath. For though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for the Lord is with me. No weapon fashioned, no whisper spoken, no curse thrown shall prosper. His word is my anchor, His blood is my covering, His name is my victory. I will not bow, for grace they speak for me. I will not bow, my Redeemer lives,
and because He lives,
I go rise again.
I no go bow,
Even if night long,
I no go bow.
the lion is strong. This soul where Jesus by, you know fit claim up. This destiny where God mold, you know fit break up.
I will not bow,
I cannot bow.
I was not created to bow to die.